These are the 5 best free apps every student needs in 2025, and I'll show you all of them in less than 3 minutes.
Number 5. Revolut. This app does more than just replace your bank card. It tracks every purchase you make in real time. That means if you spend €3 on coffee, you see it instantly. Here's why that matters. Most students don't realize how quickly small daily buys add up. With Revolut, you can set budgets, get alerts when you're overspending, and even round up spare change into savings. Number 4. Notion. You've probably heard of it as a study tool, but Notion is also one of the best money apps. Why? Because you can build custom templates or download free ones for tracking your expenses, planning your meals, or even setting financial goals. Think of it as your brain in one app. Your classes, your budget, your side hustles, all in one place. Number 3. Splitwise. If you live with roommates or go out often with friends, you need this. It automatically splits bills, rent, or even pizza nights. Everyone gets a clear breakdown of who owes what, and it removes the awkward conversations. Instead of arguing over 50 cents, the app just keeps track and sends reminders. Number 2. Too Good to Go. This app saves food from going to waste and saves your wallet. Restaurants and bakeries sell surprise bags of leftover food for just a couple of euros. You might pay €3 for a bag that would normally cost €10 or more. It's perfect for late-night snacks, or if you're just trying to stretch your budget. Plus, you're helping reduce food waste at the same time. And number 1. YNAB. You need a budget. This app isn't just about tracking your money. It actually teaches you to manage it. Every euro gets a job: rent, food, savings, so nothing disappears. At first, it feels strict, but it builds the habit of controlling your money instead of letting money control you. Even if you save just €1 a day, the app shows you how that adds up to thousands over time. These 5 apps can save you money, time, and stress. All the links are in the description if you want to try them. And don't miss my next video. Hit subscribe, and I'll see you there.